Here is my double gatefold birthday card using the Beautiful Butterflies bundle, which is part of the Beautiful Bokeh suite. It includes this 6x6 bokeh paper, this bundle, which includes the Beautiful Butterflies stamp set, and then this hybrid embossing folder that you can put this die in to cut and emboss the butterfly, which is what I did here on the front. I stamped and then I lined it up inside here and I ran it through my big embossing machine, and it cut and embossed at the same time. And last but not least, there are these fun itty bitty bokeh mix that I'm going to use in a shaker card video coming up, so make sure to watch that. So I started off with an 11 by 5.5 piece of fresh freesia cardstock, and I've scored at 1 1/4 and 3 3/8 from both ends, and I've just folded those together. Then I have the largest circle from the Spotlight on Nature's dies, and I have cut this out, like I said, stamped, cut, and embossed. And this is a piece from the heart-shaped dies. And I've got a 4 by 5 1/4 piece of basic white that we're gonna stamp and use for the inside. And then this is some of the bokeh paper that we're going to put on the front here. So I have 2 pieces of 2 by 5 1/4, and then this is 1 by 5 1/4. So I'm gonna start to put these pieces together. But first I'm gonna stamp this really cool circle stamp from the Elements of Text. This just came out in January and it is online, so you can check it out online, but I love it because I love this little text backgrounds, and of course I love splatter, so it really works for me. And then it really doesn't matter which way you stamp it since it is a circle, but then when you place it on your card, you want to just make sure that it looks like it's right side up. So now I'm just gonna adhere these pieces of DSP to the card. So on the inside, we're gonna stamp Time to Celebrate. I'm gonna add one light butterfly first. I'm not gonna do as many as I did in that one because I think it was a little bit too much. So I'm just gonna do a couple of butterflies, just 3 I think is good, but then I will add some of these little dots because they're kind of fun. And I'm just gonna do it around the butterflies, maybe a little bit over here. Now we will add this to the inside of the card, and then we're going to add all of these elements. So first we're going to add the circle, and I'm just going to place 2 dimensionals on the card base so that I know exactly where they're going, and I can place my, let's see, so I can perfectly place my circle here. And then when I attach butterflies, I like their wings to be free, so I'm only adding dimensionals in the middle here. And then we'll add this sentiment. All right, now I'm gonna add some of these purple sequins. They were from the celebration that you could earn for free. And there is my double gatefold Beautiful Butterfly card.